Hello again, everyone. David Carley with davidcarley.com and Entrepreneur MD on the GCTV network. So we're going to do a product review today, and this is the second time I've talked about this product. The product is called Elevate, and it's put out by a company called Boundless. It's a really interesting product. I've been working with it a lot. I've actually been using it over the past several weeks. I've liked it. I see a lot of potential upsides from a health perspective. Haven't seen any so far downsides, so that's why we're here talking about it. Let's talk more about what it is and how it works. Basically, it's an organic, vegan, all-natural superfood concentrate. Big word. What that means is there's lots of natural ingredients that are concentrated, like blueberries, aloe vera, red spinach, cranberries, muscadine grapes, acai berries, cranberries, and monk fruit. Monk fruit's a nice sweetener that has very little impact on blood sugar. Muscadine grapes, very high in antioxidants. These things are dried out, the sugar is taken out, and the concentrates of all the good stuff from them is put into an ingestible supplement, Elevate, okay? How does it work? What does it do? Well, there's three primary functions that are promoted by the organization. The first one is it promotes release of nitric oxide, or NO. What is NO? NO is a protein that's released from inside your blood vessels, which tells them to relax. As your blood vessels relax, blood flow is increased to your brain, to your heart, to your muscles, to your body in general. And we actually looked at this in a previous post where I used nitric oxide strips, and we tested it at baseline. And then I took Elevate and we tested it at 15, 20 minutes up to an hour, and my nitric oxide levels increased nicely. So it looks like the product is doing what it's promoted to do from a nitric oxide perspective. The second thing, we mentioned antioxidants. So inflammation is the problem, right? Inflammation is linked to all kinds of chronic disease processes. We hear so much about antioxidants, which battle inflammation. This thing is loaded with antioxidants at enormous concentrations compared to if you were just to eat these things individually. One of the key antioxidants is resveratrol. Resveratrol has been studied for decades and has been linked to all kinds of health benefits, from improvements in your brain function to reduction of heart disease to some anti-aging properties, even some anti-cancer properties. All kinds of good things, not much bad things to say about resveratrol in the literature. So health promoting effects. This thing is loaded with it, particularly some of the ingredients like red spinach. Other things like beets are felt to be very high in NO, antioxidants, things like that. These are the superfoods, right? So the other unique thing about the red spinach in particular is it's felt to have higher levels of what's called trans resveratrol. So if you take a resveratrol pill, when it gets into your body, it's broken down into trans resveratrol. That's the ingredient that's felt to have a lot of the beneficial health effects. This particular supplement is known to be high in trans resveratrol. So it's immediately what we call bioavailable, available for your body to use it right away. It's a good thing. Third primary function, prebiotics. So we hear all kinds of things about probiotics. That's when you take a drink or a supplement that has bacteria, healthy bacteria, good bacteria to populate your colon, to live inside your colon. That gives you good immunity, gives you energy, all kinds of health promoting effects. Well, those little bacteria need food, and these prebiotics are felt to be the food that those bacteria use to grow and thrive. So it has immune supporting function as a prebiotic to promote intestinal health, health within your gut. So nitric oxide release, high dose antioxidants, including resveratrol and trans resveratrol, as well as a prebiotic or intestine health promoting function. Good stuff. I feel strongly enough about it that I think we're going to make this available on davidcarley.com in the weeks to come. I suggest giving it a try. See for yourselves. See if you like it. It's a good pick-me-up, energy booster during the day, good wellness product once or twice a day. Also, if you work out and you exercise, really good as a pre-workout. That blood vessel relaxation promotes blood flow into your muscles and can really be beneficial from an exercise standpoint. So lots of good. I can't find too much bad. I think a good product to try, something we feel strongly enough that we're going to make available to you. Check out davidcarley.com in the weeks to come for links to get access to this product if you would like to try it. We'll put more information on there, as well as continue to track more information about all these kinds of health promoting effects with this product and others to follow. So check out more davidcarley.com. Thank you guys so much. Y'all have a great day.